Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can sign up for Smart Wallet step by step. Smart Wallet makes it easy to manage your digital payments, store funds securely, and perform everyday financial transactions directly from your mobile device. So if you're new to Smart Wallet, creating an account is the first step to access its feature. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Smart Wallet application from your App Store or your Google Play Store and then launch it open. From the first interface, you will see this language option. Select your preferred language from the menu and click Next. On the next page, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy by checking the little box, and now to start creating a new wallet, click on the Create Wallet button. On the next page, select the security level for your wallet. You can use the Smart Defender, which is the hardware wallet in a physical technology. Another security you want to pick is basic security or between passphrase security. If you select basic security, then this wallet employs the standard mnemonic phrases approach in 12 or 24 words. You can also select the passphrase security, where the wallet employs the passphrase approach. You can add a custom 13th or 25th word to the standard 12 or 24-word mnemonic phrases. The basic security is for basic users, whereas the passphrase security is for experienced users. So click on one of the options and tap Continue. Now you will be able to see your Smart Wallet homepage. The next step you want to do is to back up your wallet. Tap on the Backup Needed button at the top and click on Save, and then your recovery phrases will be saved. Tap on the Press and Hold button to see the phrase and write it down in a piece of paper in the correct order. After you've done so, click on this little square box at the bottom and click Next. On the next page, you need to confirm your recovery phrases that you just backed up. Go ahead and enter the words in the correct order based on your backup. So go ahead and write down the words in the correct order, and once done, click on Next. You have successfully backed up your wallet now, and you are in the home page of Smart Wallet. So that's how you easily sign up for Smart Wallet. It is a simple and secure process where you follow the correct steps. Now you can enjoy fast digital payments and easy money management anytime, anywhere. Just make sure you keep your security phrases correctly and hidden, and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.